Alright, what's up guys? It's Carter here. Okay, so we're here on the SPX chart, the 45 minute. I thought I would go over it. I really like how it looks right now, and I got a clear reading on what I expect and wish to happen to make some trades. We haven't done anything on video in a long time, and this is a perfect opportunity to do so. There's a few people out there that really enjoy my trading style, and I really appreciate it. If y'all can go ahead and like this video, that does a lot for me. Thank you. So here we are in the 45 minute. If you need a place to trade SPX, by the way, and you don't have a stock account for whatever reason, you can trade it on my partner BingX on their exchange. Okay, they have the lowest fees out there, and using my link I put down in the description, you'll get a lot of trading incentives. They do a lot of challenges for my community and whatnot. So it's worth it. Anyways, but I'll put that in the description for y'all. All right, so here we are on the 45 minute. Okay. Look at where we are. What is resistance? Okay, so we got a nice resistance spot. You see we have this breakdown, this wick retest right here. Okay, that's why I got that line there. Okay, and here we are on the 45. Now what has happened? We got pushed up here. We got into this level before and we pushed up, consolidated. It was weak, no volume, broke back down. We had a nice strong rejection off this point, right? Okay, so we consolidated. This is the point. This is the point of interest. You can see it respected that very much so, like this. A nice little breakdown, yada yada yada. Okay, so if I were to long this, if I wanted to long SPX tomorrow, this is what I would like to see. I don't want it to come up here and just mess around and not be strong and have no momentum. Okay, if that were to happen, I'd look for something like that, and see if I can get an entry there and have my stop around this area, 3860 level. 3860 level, I like it because it's been a point of breakdown before. It's nice to notice, where there's actual points where the price breaks down quicker. Okay, so here we are. So it broke down here. This is where it just dove off to. So, I would not want it to get back 3860 if I was going to short at 3840. All right, so what I would wish to happen, right? What I would wish to happen is a nice, strong push, okay? Push up like this, consolidate for a little bit, get back above, and then get up here, 38. This is the only place and level I will long, okay? It's right up here, above resistance. It's very clear, right? It's very clear on the 45. That's why it's my favorite time frame. It's very clear. So we're above there. Where will we invalidate this trade? What would be a nice, even an earlier sign of invalidation? Remember the 3860 level. Okay, we wouldn't want to see strong volume closes below the 3860 if we were to get up here on some strong momentum and hold. Okay, this is what we're hoping for. This is what we're hoping for. It's a trade. It's a plan. It doesn't have to happen, but we have two options we're looking at. Okay, so it's back above this level. Where is the, where does price usually attract to? Where's the demand, the rest of the liquidity, as you would say? Where is that at? We'll get on the 4 hour here. All right, so here's some things on the 4 hour. So it really likes this area here. Okay, that is where I would look to take, first profit, and then if it looked good up there, I don't close it all out, and we can get the final push up close to that trend line again, which is my final destination if this plan was to come to reality, would be around this area. So we know that would be a nice, we got some good wicks in this area, nice breakdown points. I really would like it, if it got above 3880 and did it and looked nice, that's where in reality, I think it would push to. All right, so it's pretty good point of interest, right? And especially, if it gets into this area and breaks back and then holds that 4 hour 200 EMA, comes around and it holds it still, around this level of 3909. This was a strong level. As soon as Wicks got down to below here, it got, bought back up and pushed. Okay, so we know that's a point of interest. You just go back and look at, how things look at certain levels, like right here. When we get into this level, it don't usually act as resistance much. It pushes through, right? It's only done it twice, but that's what we have to go off of, right? So it's pushed through it twice. So getting out here, up here, and rejecting still, That's how we know it's a good spot to short. Okay, but so that would be, a change of structure, change of point, change of interest at this level if it does not get accepted back into it. But anyways, guys, that's what I'm looking at. Maybe I'll do Bitcoin tomorrow. It's starting to look a little more interesting, Bitcoin. But yeah, guys, that's the plan for now. Originally, I was going to look for a short today around this level, and we're not going to short right now at 9 o'clock at night. Without America being in the session. That's just I don't do that. I don't like to really trade SPX outside of the American session if I'm really looking for a longer term trade, because they just bullshit around on low liquidity at night. So anyways, guys, that's what I'm looking at. I appreciate y'all watching the video as always. I hope y'all had a good Christmas, spend some time with the people you love, and did some things that are pretty cool. But that's it for me, guys. Y'all have a good one.